we're looking at here are third conjugation, the two you mentioned, third conjugation verbs, right? So they keep the E. Normally they go to I. Remember, it gets squished and it turns into an I, right? And then the third person plural. This is the present tense, right? And it turns to you. But because the imperfect tense has the power of the sheep, right? Remember the ba? The ba gives the E strength. So you end up with an E in all of these. So the E, instead of getting crushed, it becomes a strong E, which is cool. Alright? And then that's just regular third. So if you're looking at, for the imperfect, if you're looking at the future tense, right, you have the future tense indicator is just the letter E. So you have, remember, I into the future. So that is why you see the E there. Now, the other one you were asking about was like capio, capere. And so that's this one. This is called the third IO, which I'm sure you already remember and know. And third IO, the reason you can tell the difference is because here you have the E, just like you did in like ducere, right? Ducere. But if you look at the E, right, they both have the E, which means they're third. But if you look over here, there's no IO here. Here there is an IO, so the creeper I stays all the way through. And then you get to the imperfect. You still have the E because it's third, and the sheep make it strong, but the creeper I never leaves. And then you go to future, and the creeper I never leaves. And then when you get to the perfect, nothing matters anymore because the perfect stems are awesome. It's just third principal part plus your tense indicator and your ending, right? So pluperfect ERA and ERA, 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 future perfect ERO, ERI, 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 ERI. You dig it? I hope this answers your question. Okay.